After several magical days of desert camping, our water tanks were running low, so it was time to clean up camp and head into town.
Alright.
I'm always nervous about leaving these sand dunes.
삽 있어, 괜찮아. 돌도 많아. 괜찮아.
Alright, let's see. And then we're just gonna go right through that area there.
앵글이다 이거 맞지?
Yeah.
Okay. 뷰이 좀 낮네. Before we go to campsite, we decided to stop by Merzouga. This village is famous, right? For the Sahara desert tour. Last time we were in Sahara desert, we spent whole months in Hassilabiad, right?
Yeah.
So Mark came here for the bank because they have an ATM. So he told me that it's really big, it's like quite different. So we decided to stop by, right?
You can see how big it is, right?
엄청 크네. 하실라바드에 비하면 엄청 크다.
I'm gonna park here.
You park here.
Park over there, okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's eat some lunch.
Can I see inside? Oh, nice. Thank you. Okay.
타진 소리 나는 거 봐. Wow. So this is tajin. Like it is the food that you have to eat. So in here is like a per tajin, one tajin is like 50 dirham. It's a quite nice price. But if you go to Marrakesh and then tourist area, it will be like 100 to 150 dirham.
Your favorite, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Wow. Alright, thank you.
Big one is mine. Oh, 이거 맛있겠다. Oh my god. 너무 맛있잖아.
We're done,
Yeah.
but we didn't finish, so.
깨나게다 넣어서.
How was lunch?
It was great.
쇼핑하러 와야지. These ones are out of the sun, huh?
Fresh, yeah.
The green pepper?
Yeah.
One, two.
Two. The zucchini.
아, 타지는.
Madame, c'est le tagine.
These are really good. Really good. Good. Yeah, done. Bean.
400m 앞에서 우회전입니다. 우회전입니다. 그 다음에 우회전입니다.
아닌 것 같은데 아니야 뭔가 좀 이상한 거.
Yeah.
Google took us like a wrong place, so we are heading back to where we started, right?
Yeah.
We already did the full circle in the
I think we
roundabout.
have to go that way.
그래?
Go. We're here. Assalamualaikum. Just park anywhere? There, okay.
Okay.
Hey, you want with sugar or no sugar?
Sugar, yeah, it's great.
Their car. It's quite cool. But no one is in there.
Alright.
사람들 많네.
Yeah. Oh, it's really nice. Hello. Thank you. Wow, it's beautiful.
You stay, welcome. Mademoiselle. Okay, je vais faire préparer le thé. I
Okay.
like the thé.
Yeah, there's one there, there's one here. Hey, little guy. This is also the kind of mud bricks.
맞나? 어머, 고양이 제 손 봐.
What is he doing?
머리 좀 이상하죠? 머리 괜찮나?
이쁘다.
맨날 이쁘다 그런다. Good morning, guys. We were staying in the Merzouga campsite. The reason why we had to catch up the video, and then we were running out of our house battery because it was like 10-something%. And also we ran out of the water. So while we were staying here, we were editing, also washing clothes, and then spend the days in Merzouga. So we tried the food and then nice cuisine. And this campsite has a really great view. I'm gonna walk up there. Let's see. Alright. Hi, good morning. There it is. This is the view. So, like daytime, people are hanging around there, or nighttime you can sit there and have a tea. Also have a stars on your site. So today we're gonna get ready and go to Hassilabiad because Lehu is waiting for us. And before we leave Sahara Desert, we want to say goodbye and spend time with Lehu's family. Alright, let's get ready. Are you cleaning? Good morning.
Morning.
Do you know how to get there?
Yeah, just keep driving that way.
Yeah. We always say we have a family in Hassilabiad, right?
Yeah. There's the camels.
맞아. 저게 레우잖아. 이거 캐머리고 저거. 여기다. 저기다. 학교 옆에.
Yeah,
레우네.
yeah.
Right?
Yeah. We just park outside and say hi.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Hi, good to see you.
I was thinking you are in Korea.
No. We're gonna come here first, of
Okay.
course.
Yeah.
We were so excited. We left our passports, wallets, cameras, everything in our car.
In France, like,
We were so excited. We left everything.
진짜.
Our wallets, our passports. It's a good thing that Hassilabiad is safe.
Yeah.
It's not Marrakesh. Well, let me see. Wow, your new baby. Cute,
So many
huh?
things happen, huh?
Things have changed
He
since
said
we've
it
been
last.
gone. Yeah. Last baby, and turn off the faucet. You know, we were worried.
Alright. It look ugly though. Good morning guys, we are back to Lehu's campsite, Hassilabiad, and when we arrived here we saw a really interesting car, and it is commonly seen in Korea, but also Korea sometimes it's hard to see it. You guys can see over there, right there. Mark was talking with them and he saw the car, and yeah, I like it. Actually, it reminds me of our old car.
Do you know what the name of this van?
It's Hyundai H1.
In Korea we call Starex.
Starex?
Yeah,
Oh,
Starex.
nice, okay.
How did you get this van? Is it it's not common in France,
It's
right?
not that common, but actually one member of my family,
Uh-huh.
he had it, and he was like, oh, I'm gonna sell it. And I was like, no, stop.
Oh wow. What's your name, by the way?
Lucas,
Luca.
nice to meet you.
Joel.
French license plate on this van. That's so cool. You know that this van is from Korea.
Yeah.
This kind of door
Yeah.
is impossible to see in Korea.
Really?
Yeah. So usually the doors open like this.
Yeah.
But this swing door is perfect for, you know.
It's more, I think, for every day.
Oh, I love it, guys. So cool. You cut all this yourself.
Yeah.
It's a bit like self-told, but it's okay.
No, it's
For
perfect.
first try.
Oh, and this turns over to make a table.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah, that's smart. Oh, yeah. So smart. Yeah. Yeah, I know, I love it. So cool. Got the water tank here.
When you guys bought it, like it has this stripe too?
No, I did it myself.
Yeah.
That's why it's a bit.
So you got the skylight. That's really smart. We
My dad helped me with that one.
I like these. They're nice. And these you bought along the way, or?
No, we are doing it ourselves.
Really?
Yeah,
Are you a painter?
not really. Like we are architects, so we like to draw.
Ah, nice.
A bit
Wow.
of sketching.
Yeah. You did this?
Yeah.
Oh my
And he
goodness.
has one as well. I just don't
Yeah,
know
but
where
smaller.
it is.
Yeah. Do you want to see our van? Yeah. Okay, let's go look. Ah, they're a pretty cool couple. It's a shame that they're leaving today.
그게 우리가 좀 일찍 왔었다. 왜 메르주가 갔지?
Yeah. This is ROK. Do you know what that means? Republic of Korea.
Oh, nice.
This is a Korean license plate. Yeah, thank you. So, yeah, if you want to step in, you can step in. You just take off your shoes. Yeah, no problem.
Oh wow! Okay, that's huge.
Yeah, right? You can stand in it, huh?
Cool.
Ah, c'est trop bien.
Oh wow! I like the wood. It's so beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, this is for you. Actually, I brought it out. I forgot to bring it. That's our flag, and that is our car, what it used to look like.
Yeah.
Ah, so you changed the color.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
And I will send you links for our dore, some videos that we have, so you can see.
Okay, nice.
Okay, guys. Well, have a safe trip.
Safe drive.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye bye, thanks.
All right. A fly Armageddon.